Hey everyone, my name is Jeremy Wagers, and I am an instructor at the National RV Training Academy, and I teach advanced air conditioning and heat pumps. Stay tuned to see what we're going to talk about for some tips and tricks to get you through the summer heat.
Welcome to another 2-Minute Tech Tip Tuesday. Brought to you by the National RV Training Academy, the largest hands-on RV training academy in America. Hey, before we get to the video, which I know this is the reason why you're here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. That way you don't miss anything. Hit the subscribe button now. Thank you. Now, back to our Tech Tip Tuesday.
First of all, I always do this at least twice a year, if not more. I always want to do it when it's colder outside, so I'm going to go in the spring when it's not too hot, and in the fall when you've got that nice fall day. I'm going to get up on my roof. I'm going to grab some of these cleaners. I'm going to grab Frost King and some new Calgon. I'm going to go ahead and take my shroud off. I've got 2 sets of coils. I'm going to do some basic maintenance on them. Also, while I'm in there, I'm going to just check to make sure I have no dust, debris, anything like that. Get that all cleaned out. Because, hey, let's face it, if these coils aren't clean, these air conditioners aren't going to work properly. Second of all, now we've got these all taken care of up on the roof. We're going to mosey on inside, and we're going to see what's going on in there. Over the winter, you might close your ducts off because, hey, we're not using the air conditioner, so why have them open? But guess what? Spring and summer is here, so now we need to make sure those things are open, because when it comes to air conditioning, airflow is king. So now we've walked through some of those basic just tips to make sure those are ready to go for your summer season. But now I'm going to walk you through some things where a technician might need to be involved. So let's say we go ahead, you're going over, you turn on your T-stat, and you turn it on to where you want your compressor to cool, and you turn on your high fan. Let's say where fan kicks on, but even after a couple of minutes, there's no sign of your compressor. It means you have no cold air coming out of those vents that you just opened. This is where you might want to get an RV technician involved because, hey, you never know. Something could be wrong with it. We need to figure out what that is. One of the other things is, too, kind of completely opposite. Your compressor runs, so you hear that humming or that vibration going on upstairs, but you don't have any fans. So you don't have any cold air coming out of the ducts that we made sure that were open that we talked about earlier. That'd be something else. I would definitely get someone on the phone as soon as possible to be able to diagnose those issues. So again, kind of recap what we've talked about. Don't forget, summer months are going to here before we know it. We've got these 2 cleaners. We're going to clean our coils at least twice a year. Then we're also going to make sure our ducts are open for that summer season. And then those other 2, your compressor not turning on or your fan not turning on, that's when we might want to get an RV technician involved. And there's your tech tip.
All right, before you get to the bloopers, which is why you're here in the first place, the RV industry needs thousands of RV technicians and inspectors, and now is the perfect time to do that. If you want to make more money or have more control over your time, go ahead and click the link below. Or if you just want to learn how to fix your own RV, got something for you there. Head over to rvtechcourse.com and get started today. Now for the reason that you're at the end of the video, roll the bloopers.
Shoot. Whatever that would make you feel, nope. Okay, all right. Guess what? I've got a secret. Don't tell anyone. Summer's coming. So what's that mean? These bad boys have to be up and running top notch. If not, we're gonna be sweating. And I don't know about you all, but I don't want to be sweating this summer. Yeah, throw a wrench in your plan you didn't even know you were gonna have.